Hi everyone, it's Holly here and I'm back again this week. We are talking Prada bananas today. They've launched a few new products lately. I'm gonna go over all of them and do a little mini tutorial using this brand new highlight and the new banana lip balm. Marketing, the creative on this, I just love. It's something so different and a lot of little small details going into these items. I just really appreciate, especially in the beauty world. I truly believe now that I've tried a few products from Prada, they are kind of shaking up the beauty world a little bit. Maybe because they put more time and resources into it, but like their mascara is like no other mascara I've used. This highlight's like no other highlight I've used. I've never tried lip products like this. Like lip balms that have the most micro shimmer in them. You can't see the shimmer, but your lips glow. So that's pretty exciting and amazing. I'm gonna be swatching all of them, trying on the banana and the highlight for you, so keep watching. If you are returning and you're subscribed to my channel, welcome back. We're gonna do our review and tutorial thing. And if you're new here, welcome. So excited to have you. I'm gonna review and do a little mini tutorial on this product. As I often do with brand new products and launches, I can give you some answers and also just entertainment. They've had a couple very interesting launches. They launched highlighters that are like the most beautiful thing I've seen. And then also this like whole banana thing. Banana yellow is like a trend. Let's start with the highlight and then I'll apply it for you. So I'm in awe of this Prada Beauty packaging. It is so beautiful, like nothing I've ever seen before. For obvious reason. Beautiful gold on the bottom, silver on the top. It has the Prada Milano logo etched in the top, which is just, Prada Beauty stuff needs to be displayed just on its own. It's so stunning. I got the light glowing powder. On the inside, we have a mirror and then powder with a little triangle inside. This smells really good. This is something that stands out about this product too to me. It smells like a fancy perfume, like department store. It kind of smells like a faint department store to me, but like a fancy department store, like Holt Renfrew or Neiman Marcus, like that kind of thing. That's the smell that I get from this palette. I like to just very specifically, very strategically place it, as opposed to a liquid highlight. Sometimes I do lots of blending because I kind of like glowy everywhere. But with a powder highlight, I like to strategically place it in place. This is the shade Light. I'm going to apply it. I apply it right here, just on the top of my cheekbone. And you can see how little is needed to create this kind of beam of light. So that's all I really like to do, is just add the teeniest little bit. This will last forever at this point. And then I like to add a little bit. You can use this brush or an even smaller one, and just a little bit on the tip of the nose, because I always like to add a little bit. I kind of like to put it here too. Those are kind of like my two little spots I like to put it. You can also add a little bit here, kind of on the brow bone, and blend it with the bottom. When the light hits this area, it just looks so nice. But the beauty about this product is I don't think I've ever actually had or used a powder highlight that requires such little product. Like, they really made this concentrated. Really only need a little bit, a light tap on the skin to create a gorgeous glowy look. The smell is amazing. It just smells like luxury. As you're putting it on, you need such little, and then displaying this on your vanity so you can look at it every day. Little product, huge payoff. With that highlight, so before the banana lip situation, I got a couple glowing lip color. So Prada Light glowing lip colors in white and rose, which are like colors I would 100% wear. They've been kind of slowly launching lip products too, I believe. If you've watched my other Prada Beauty video, you know how just insanely stunning things we're dealing with here. Oh, this, ooh, look at that color. And then the beautiful kind of studded textured packaging with the Prada stamped in there, the Prada logo stamped in there. It looks quite bright, but it's quite light applied. You can see a pink sheen, a little light shimmer to it. So that's my kind of lip product. It's going right in my purse. This one is just, I shouldn't say just white because it looks like Snow White. Like white and pearly and sparkly. It's like an iridescent. You can see no color, but just the most beautiful sheen. Wearing it with lip liner would probably be a great idea. And then you add this like sheen to your lip that's like clear and looks like Snow White. I really like these. That's my kind of formula where I add some light and dimension to the lips. The Prada Banana. Prada Balm in Banana Yellow is here. With its micro pixel pearls and comforting oil formula, the Banana Balm delivers 24-hour hydration and a golden warm luster to your lips. So a very summery color. Look at how beautiful. Who knew bananas would be so beautiful and chic? Who knew? And the packaging is, there's no yellow on it. It's just pure silver. The other lips are silver and they have a little bit of rose gold. It has that tapered top to it, but the same gorgeous stamping to the sides and then the stamped on Prada logo. I just live for Prada packaging. It is the most beautiful packaging in the beauty world. Okay. Kind of like, I'm glad that I swatched the other ones because it's actually a great comparison. Kind of gives you a gold sheen. So it has a little bit of shimmer and it's not yellow. More golden champagne sheen to the lips. So the white one is like Snow White and then rose is obviously a slight pink, and then this banana one is like a golden champagne, light shimmer and hydration to the lip. Let's do a little application. I'm gonna use Max Spice for my lip liner. Then the banana. I forgot to talk about the smell. It's a banana lip balm. Obviously that's important. I just smelled it. It smells, I was interested to see how they would do this banana. Very hydrating. Honestly, don't see any shimmer on the lip, but I think that's because it's so finely milled. It makes your lip look glowy, but no flecks of shimmer, which is basically my dream. So you can kind of see how it looks almost like wet as the light's reflecting it, but it really is a bit of shimmer in there, but it just, the payoff looks so good. These are beautiful, and I can't say I've tried anything quite like this in the makeup world. And the smell of it is not what you'd think. It doesn't have that like bitterness of a banana. Banana, that's a funny word to say. But it almost smells like a little floral. Like they tried to do banana but do a floral spin on it so it wasn't too tart or fruity or smelling like food. A little bit like fragrance. So it's hard to describe, but it kind of smells like perfume with just the lightest hint of banana. Did a great job with that. And it's just such a fun yellow color, and then unexpected, it gives you a golden glow on the lip. I'm gonna try the banana candies for you. I haven't tried them yet, so I figured I should try them on camera with you. And I have to cut this beautifully because the package is so beautiful. Okay, let's see what these taste like. I mean, they're gonna taste like banana probably. Cute. How bougie is this, eating Prada candies? That's something I never thought I would do. They're actually really good. I did not think they would be. I was not sure about these banana candies. Those are actually good. I love how the like sugar was coated on there. I love sugar candies. I like those foam. This is embarrassing. I like those foam banana candies, but these are really good as well. Now I feel like banana is everywhere now that I ate the candy and I have it on my lips. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like it down below. I'd love if you commented. I love getting to know you all. Don't forget to subscribe to me here at hall_ward. I post every single week. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me at the same handle. I post all the time over there. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week and I'll see you next time.